Hey everyone, with the release of the Redmi Pad Pro, the Xiaomi sub-brand has added more tablets to its lineup, in addition to the Redmi Turbo 3 smartphone. This mid-range tablet is made to meet the needs of those who value productivity, multitasking, and multimedia consumption. Let's explore the features that the Redmi Pad Pro comes with right out of the box. The 12.1-inch LCD screen on the Redmi Pad Pro is roomy and has a crisp 2.5K resolution. Its remarkable feature is its high variable refresh rate of 120Hz, which guarantees quick touch interactions and fluid scrolling. Its TÜV Rheinland certification and peak brightness of 600 nits mean that users, especially in well-lit areas, may anticipate vivid pictures and less eye strain. Rich colors and contrast are added to the viewing experience by the tablet's support for Dolby Vision content. One notable appearance change from its predecessors is the new rear look of the Redmi Pad Pro. The back panel houses two protruding rings, accommodating an 8-megapixel sensor and an LED flash for capturing moments on the go. Additionally, the tablet is stylus-friendly, featuring compatibility with a stylus pen that magnetically attaches to the left side, offering convenience for note-taking, drawing, and other creative tasks. For selfie enthusiasts, there's an 8-megapixels front-facing camera. To complement its immersive display, the Redmi Pad Pro is equipped with quad speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos technology, delivering crisp and spatial audio for an enhanced entertainment experience. Dual microphones ensure clear voice pickup during video calls or recordings, adding versatility to the tablet's multimedia capabilities. Under the hood, the Redmi Pad Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, providing a balance of performance and efficiency for everyday tasks and multitasking scenarios. It comes paired with up to 8 GB of RAM, and offers ample storage options, with up to 256 GB of internal storage. The tablet is fueled by a robust 10,000 mAh battery, supporting 33 watts fast charging for quick top-ups. On the software front, the Redmi Pad Pro runs on HyperOS-based Android 14 out of the box, offering a customized user experience optimized for productivity and entertainment. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable wireless connectivity, Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless device pairing, and a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio accessories. The Redmi Pad Pro is priced competitively and meets a variety of memory and storage requirements. Below is a summary of its cost and available colors. The starting price of the base model, which has 128 GB of storage and 6 GB of RAM, is 1,499 yuan, or around $234. To sum up, the Redmi Pad Pro is a flexible option for those looking for a mid-range tablet that delivers exceptional multimedia performance, multitasking capability, and overall user experience. It has an impressive feature set. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.